Buckle up. Your Day 2 recap starts now. We learned how to analyze and classify sounds while sharing a cup of tea with John.
The demo app is using my Mac's built-in microphone to listen to sounds in the environment.
And discovered how to recognize custom audio with Shazam Kit.
What if you could play a video on your Apple TV and have a companion app that displays questions at exactly the right time?
At lunchtime, aerospace engineer Tierra Fletcher took us to space.
We are Voyagers, collecting data beyond our solar system.
Then we explored Screen Time API with Nolan.
Homework encourages good habits by restricting a child's access to certain apps.
Designed inclusive apps with Cynthia, and learned how to quickly implement in-app subscriptions with StoreKit 2. We found out how you can use nearby interaction with third-party accessories.
For example, you can create a nearby peer configuration when you want to start a session between two iPhones that are running your app.
And discovered how to build a simplified sign-on process for tvOS. No password needed. What a packed day. I think I need to go visit the Health and Fitness Pavilion and check out today's Mindful Cooldown. And here's a quick preview of what's coming tomorrow. Pretty cool stuff, eh? See you along the way.